practical because I'll be sharing PPT, so you won't be able to see the PDF. Okay, take picture of this table if needed, account table. I'll teach you how to create this table on PPT. Therefore, this won't be visible to you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, dear.
Ma'am, I'm facing an issue. Ma'am, while opening an Oracle Application Express, it's showing invalid login credentials. And
Have
it's
you
all correct over
forgotten?
there. No,
Have you
ma'am.
for-
No, ma'am, it's correct.
तो क्या गलत डाल रहा है? फॉरगेट पासवर्ड का ऑप्शन होगा देख. There would be an option. Look, I'm opening it. Reset password. देख नीचे.
Yes,
Sign in
ma'am.
के नीचे you'll get an option. You can reset. Tushar?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, have you taken pic of the table? Yes, I suppose. Let us have a blank screen. Fine. So now I don't have table. बताओ मुझे table के columns. A table was account table.
Account number.
Okay, account number is primary key, and there is a condition. It should start with A. ठीक है? Other columns.
Name.
Name. You have some condition here.
Not null.
Not null. Okay.
In city, it's also not null.
City, not null.
In balance,
Balance
greater than or equal to 500.
greater than equal to 500.
And loan taken, either no or yes.
Okay, it should be no or it should be yes. Okay. Okay, for data types, for these I'm giving on my own. मैं खुद से दे रही हूँ data types. Fine. We are not, but you will not do that because entries will be accordingly. So you have to follow practical to give data types as well as to give values. Fine. So how to create this table? As I said you, when we give constraint, it can be of two types. Same story again. One can be on table level. If you define it after all the columns are declared, it is called table level. Two, column level. Along with column definition, I am giving all the details about the constraint. Okay. So let us move with this right now. Column level. For creating account, what is the first condition this database should fulfill? You already have a table called account. Will you be able to create?
We changed its name because in the practical it was changed to accounts temp that.
Okay.
Account
So if you
master
have account master, account temp, if you would have renamed to a table create hoga. Otherwise, I am giving you error. Object already exists. This will be the error. Object already exists, so you cannot create. So in that case, you will drop the table. Okay, and then you will write create syntax. I'm writing create syntax. Who will help me? Create, then what should I write?
Table.
Create table.
Table name.
Okay, account. Now, very simple. I have to add account number. जैसे भी आपके प्रैक्टिकल में लिखा है वैसे लिख दोगे. Data type is
Varchar 2. Size is 5.
Size is 5. This should match, because data entry is based on this. Now I have to declare this as primary key. Can I write over here?
Yes.
A batch. Yes. A batch bolo primary key. Okay. Now, should I do comma or should I give condition for this? Account number should start with A. We are telling account number should start with A. So I should give some condition, right? So instead of doing comma, what will I do? I'll not do comma. I'll write check. What do I want to check? I want to check account number. Now, क्या लिखूं? Like is which operator? It is a pattern matching operator. Equal to लिख दूंगी तो खाली A वाली एंट्री आ जाएगी. So I'll write, see there is a bracket. Check के बाद there is a bracket. Account number like a percentage. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this means when I'm inserting the data, first alphabet should be capital A. यहाँ पे capital A लिखा है मैंने, इसलिए compulsory. If I'm inserting a row like this, A001, this won't be inserted. Constraint violation आएगा because you have written here capital A. Okay? Percentage means any character, any number of time. This will also allow A000. This is don't care condition for us. Percentage. Okay? So we are able to write check constraint. I'll close this bracket. Fine. Now check constraint is done and defined. Primary key is done and defined. So I'll do comma. One column is done for me. Next column is name. Name would be, suppose it is varchar. क्या है? Varchar 2 size
30.
30. Okay. And it has to be not null. Now you can mention this constraint also along with table. You are writing not null here. Fine. Likewise, city. Varchar 2, suppose you have 20. You have to mention not null because it is given in the schema. Okay, not null, comma. This definition is also over. Next column is balance. Everyone on screen, आजू बाजू नहीं, balance. Balance has to be number. Suppose it is a decimal allowing number. तो तुमको ऐसा कुछ दिया होगा 10,2 or something like that. You have to mention that. Question is, how do I define balance is greater than or equal to 500? What do I do now?
Check.
Where command?
Check.
Check.
यहाँ comma नहीं कर रही, देखो मैं. I'm not giving comma here. It is in continuation. Check. I'll write bracket. Check balance. अब ये वाला बैलेंस जो लिख रही हूँ और ये वाला should be same. यहाँ पे BAL है और यहाँ पे पूरा बैलेंस ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. This identifier and this identifier should match. Okay, is greater than equal to 500. Bracket close. Have I completed this definition of this column? Yes. So comma. Last is loan underscore taken varchar size in bracket. You can mention. Now it is saying only these values are allowed. How do I define this?
Again check.
Again check. Okay. So how will I write? I'll write check in bracket what I want to check. Loan underscore taken. अब equal to लगा दूं?
Yes.
Yes. Is equal to. Now pay attention here. अगर capital NO लिख रही हूँ तो insert करते वक्त capital NO ही allowed होगा. Okay. And लिखूँ के और yes, or loan underscore taken is equal to capital YES. Check का bracket पूरा, table का bracket पूरा, semicolon and enter. Now ये जो लंबा चीज हमने लिखा is equal to और करके, this can be written in short form like इतना ही यहाँ लिख रही हूँ ऊपर. We can check. I can write check loan underscore taken in, this is operator, it is called in operator. In के अंदर जो भी पैरामीटर पास करूंगी that will be checked. So yes, comma, no. So it will check. Now there is bracket for in also, then bracket of check will end, and then your tables bracket will end. This is the two way you can give this constraint. जैसे लास्ट प्रैक्टिकल में हमने मेल फीमेल वाले में दिया होगा, डाइवोर्स्ड वाले में दिया होगा, मैरिड, डाइवोर्स्ड, ओके जब वैल्यू स्पेसिफाई होती है कि ओनली फ्रॉम गिवन सेट ऑफ वैल्यूज, जैसे इन्यूमरेटर था तुम्हारे सी में, यू हैव सेट ऑफ वैल्यूज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, only out of these values you'll take entry. Such things can be mentioned with the help of in operator. Okay, समझ में आया? फिर से लिखूं?
समझ गए मैम।
समझ गए पक्का?
यस मैम।
एवरीवन, ये प्रीत का आंसर था, बाकी लोग? बाकी लोग?
Ma'am.
ओके ये प्रांजुल था। Create table, table name. I'm giving general syntax now. Column name, data type size, constraint which you want to give, check constraint if you want to give, in brackets, then comma, then column 2, data type size in bracket, size in bracket, any constraint you want to mention, any constraints you want to mention, okay, followed by any other condition and likewise. Okay, let's see if we are able to create table now. अब हम create करके देखते हैं. Table 1 चलो create करो. In chat box, let me know if you have created table successfully. Done. Rishabh has already done. Rishabh.
हम create हो गया.
Okay, good. Preet has also created with me. Fine, good. You try for next table then. In that case, chalo. Rest 29 students. Let us try to create. Hope you are creating table. Yes, Devansh is done with creating first table. Good. Devansh, move ahead. Next table would have foreign key. Should I share practical instead of this PPT?
Can you just show once again, please show the example you have made?
Okay, okay.
Because I'm getting an error.
I'll write again. I'll write again.
Or ma'am, you just check mine. Ma'am, I've made, but it's showing error.
Okay, show me then. You share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Is it visible?
Yes, yes, you are sharing it now. Okay, scroll कर दो थोड़ा. Invalid character, it means जो like लिखा है ना तुमने, तुषार,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
should be in single quote. Am I not able to see or it is not there?
No.
A
Like should
percentage, like after like whatever comes should come in
Okay.
single quote. Like
Okay.
single quote, A percentage single quote. Yes. Check column cannot constraint. Okay, okay. You would have written some constraint.
This one, loan.
Loan taken, check loan taken equals to no. Wait. कहीं पे जो आपने चेक के बाद लिखा है और जो चेक के पहले लिखा है वो आइडेंटिफायर अलग है. गो बैक, स्क्रॉल बैक. प्राइमरी की चेक. ओके, गुड मोहम्मद. चेक के बाद ब्रैकेट है ना, ब्रैकेट एंड्स, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
सिटी वेरकेयर. ये वेरकेयर के बाद जो भी लिखे हो वो सब ब्रैकेट में है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके. बैलेंस नंबर, चेक बैलेंस. बैलेंस का स्पेलिंग पहले और बाद में.
Limit change.
ओके. लोन टेकन वेरकेयर. ये वेरकेयर 2, जो कि वेरकेयर 2 एंड वेरकेयर में कोई एरर नहीं होनी चाहिए. लोन टेकन, यस, नो. ओके, आई डोंट सी एरर. वापस से रन कर, नोटिफिकेशन बंद कर दे.
Yes, ma'am.
चेक कंस्ट्रेंट कैन नॉट रेफरेंस अदर कॉलम. थोड़ा मिनिमाइज कर सकता है क्या तू? मोहम्मद, let me come to your doubt after completing this. Meanwhile, let us see if we can solve this. मैक्सिमाइज कर देना ऊपर से. हाँ, वहाँ ऊपर ऊपर ऊपर. यस, देयर स्टार के पास होगा, स्टार के पास. Numbers. Scroll. Okay, no doubt है. ठीक है, और स्क्रॉल कर. आई डोंट सी एनी एरर देयर. लोन टेकन में देखते हैं. लोन टेकन में यहाँ पे के है, यहाँ पे एल है कि के है, मुझे गलत दिख रहा है. चेक.
Yes, ma'am. It's L. Sorry, ma'am.
हाँ, चश्मा आ जाएगा मेरे को. ठीक है, ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Okay, you understood the error, how to solve it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you see column name is not matching, check is referencing some other column, then this can be one of the error you can have. Yes, Mohammed,
Okay.
your doubt. Mohammed? Mohammed?
Ma'am, he asked in chat box, why do we use the like operator?
Okay, Mohammed, because, okay, for this batch, might be I would not have explained where instead of where. Why where we will use, Mohammed? I did not get your query. Let me share PPT and I'll explain you why we are doing that while giving constraint. Okay, this is a type of constraint. Check. I want to check loan taken has to be yes or no. That means I am restricting the entry. I am restricting the insert command in such a way that I'll allow only yes or no. I won't allow any other entry. Do you understand this? Why I am using check constraint? If I want to check loan taken is yes or no, in that case I'll write select. Is this PPT visible, right? Select star from account where loan taken is equal to yes or loan taken is equal to no. This is what you are trying to ask, Mohammed. If you write in chat box, I have to swap and see. Okay, so you wanted to ask this, right? Okay, so this command will do what? It will help you to see those entries where loan taken has this value or this value. Okay, but this doesn't make sure that you are ensuring any insert statement which does not have yes or no field for loan taken. Only that insert statement should be allowed. I want to make sure the database should not have any other entry other than these two. This is how you can filter out your database. And this is how you can put constraint with the help of programming, which will restrict any other entry, right? It will not allow any other entry other than this if I do this. Are you getting this? In the first way, I'm just filtering out data. Someone can come and write here loan taken, I don't know. If I write an entry, I don't know. Insert statement में. What if I write I don't know? तुम लोग क्या लिखते हो? IBK. ठीक है, IBK, I don't know whether entry was done or not. Now this is not a proper entry for database. I don't want any such entry. Therefore, I can put constraint on insert statement only. के बाद में जाके ये check ना करना पड़े. Or one more thing. Suppose there is a column called fees pending. We had this last week in discussion, last to last week, fees pending. Now there should be only two things, either yes or no. Third entry I don't want to allow in my database. It should not have maybe, no, I don't know, because that will help me. That will not help me in filtering out. So this constraint I can put while creating table. Instead of filtering out after entry is done, what I do is I apply this business rule, this constraint while creating. Okay, and therefore I use check constraint. Check is meant for that. Okay, if I write check is pending. Now this should be actually your doubt. Is equal to yes or sorry, is equal to yes or is equal to no. Now if I write like this, it is not allowed because you have to write column name here. That is rule, column name. Okay, that is why I am using check constraint. Now you should have this in your mind कि मैं और के बदले in क्यों use की. This is new to you all. This is new to you all. Instead of writing this entire thing, fees pending, such a long word every time you want to keep condition. Instead, what I can do is I write check pending in. Now let me mention all the types I want in my database. Suppose I allow entry like yes, no, chalo, maybe be allow maybe. So I have to write column name only once. I can check all the fields which are here inside. ठीक है, Mohammed? So why not where condition? Because where can be applied only in select statement. First thing, it is used for filter. Therefore, we want to ensure this constraint while creation only. Therefore, I'll use check. I have learned OR operator. OR can be used when I want to have two values. Now, this seems so long to write. Suppose there are 5 values which you can allow, so you have to write column name 5 times. So instead of doing that, I will use int. Let me see the chat box if you have doubt yet.
मैम डाउट तो नहीं है, बट सेकंड टेबल जब क्रिएट करा तो एक एरर है मिसिंग राइट पैरेंथेसिस।
ओके, भूल गया होगा कहीं ब्रैकेट।
मैम मैं अपना कोड कॉपी पेस्ट कर दूं या फिर स्क्रीन शेयर कर दूं, क्योंकि मेरे को तो दिख नहीं रहा कुछ।
ठीक है, whatever you feel convenient.
मैम आई एम शेयरिंग माय स्क्रीन।
Okay, okay. Mohammed, are we on same page? Okay, Preet is done. Mohammed, reply me if I have solved your error, then I'll move to Rishabh's error. Okay, Mohammed, good. Rishabh, थोड़ा बड़ा कर देना।
We don't have to insert the values.
Yes, you have to. You have to insert. But it is good that if you create table first, then खाली insertion ही रह जाएगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Account number के बाद you forgot data type here. Rishabh.
Oh. Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Fine. एक सेकेंड। Okay, yes.
Before foreign keys will come. Foreign word बाद में जाएगा. Good, Preet, you move ahead.
मैम अभी भी बता रहा है मिसिंग राइट पैरेंथेसिस।
रुक जा, अब अच्छे से देखने दे वापस से मुझे, थोड़ा सा मैक्सिमाइज कर देना। I'm not able to see. Okay. Account number where 25 foreign key.
पैरेंथेसिस से कहीं ब्रैकेट की मिस्टेक होगी ना?
हाँ, yes, but हो सकता है कभी कभी compiler is not able to see actual error due to something else. So let us check that even. Foreign key, number. Loan amount, जा तो scroll कर loan amount के बाद। Amount number not none. रिमेनिंग में हाँ, यस, देख इसमें 2 एरर है, मैं बताती हूँ क्या। एक तो रिमेनिंग की स्पेलिंग पहले चेक के अंदर और चेक के बाहर अलग है, ठीक है। नाउ वेट हियर, नाउ व्हेन वी आर राइटिंग अ चेक कंस्ट्रेंट, एवरीवन ऑन स्क्रीन, एवरीवन, इंपॉर्टेंट है ये, I wanted this error actually. When we are writing check constraint which is having 2 columns involved, for example, we are having remaining loan as well as loan amount. Okay, such check constraint should be given after all the columns are declared. Okay, ये run करके देख क्या होता है, run कर। Remaining की spelling अभी भी same है, same, I don't think.
REMAINING REMAI।
ओके, अब नंबर 10,2 के बाद कॉमा कर, 10,2 के बाद कॉमा कर, यस, चेक, ना स्क्रॉल कर, अभी स्क्रॉल कर, चेक का ब्रैकेट चेक करना पड़ेगा कितना है, चेक का ब्रैकेट डन, टेबल का ब्रैकेट डन, यस, अब रन कर। स्टिल?
हाँ मैम।
तुषार कुछ बोल रहा था, यस तुषार?
And before check we don't use comma.
ये टेबल लेवल लगा है इसलिए।
Yes, but after defining all the table, if I write check, then I can use comma.
Okay.
No issues. Let us check again. कहीं ब्रैकेट भूल गए हैं क्या? Not null. आगे जा, स्क्रॉल कर दे। क्रिएट टेबल से दिखना चाहिए मुझे। Create table loan number, where primary key. Okay. Loan number like L. Okay. Account number, foreign key, loan number. Semicolon not necessary at the end. Fine. Copy this in your WordPad. एक बार वापस Apex चालू कर और फिर रन कर.
Same thing.
सेम थिंग. एक काम कर, फॉरेन की निकाल वहां से. फॉरेन की कहाँ गया, कहाँ गया?
स्क्रॉल बार क्यों नहीं आ रहा? वो मैंने आधी करी तो नहीं करी. अच्छा नहीं, फॉरन की पूरा निकाल दूं?
पूरा नहीं. फॉरेन की और वो ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो लिखा है उतना निकाल. यस
ये
यस. रेफरेंसेस, ये टेबल है ना, और ये अकाउंट नंबर भी है ना.
हाँ मैम.
ठीक है,
नहीं
अब
तो वो
रन कर.
बताता कि टेबल का कुछ एरर दूसरा
हाँ,
बताता ना.
ठीक है, रन कर चल.
ओके, इट्स डन.
यस
अब हो गया.
यस. तो फॉरेन की वो जो कीवर्ड दिया था ना, वो प्रॉपर सिंटेक्स में नहीं था.
ओके.
ठीक है. सो वी हैव सीन टू थिंग्स ओवर हियर कि जो चेक कंस्ट्रेंट इफ वी आर गिविंग ऑन टू कॉलम्स, बेस्ट वे इज टू डिक्लेयर इट एट द एंड if it involves two columns. Okay, and whatever you write inside check and whatever you have already defined at column level, both names should match. Okay. Okay, move ahead.
Thank
Two
you.
tables are done. Yes. I hope we are creating table. Doubt आए तो मुझे पूछो. Yes. And keep pinging in chat box so that I know you are here. Yes. Okay, okay.
हेलो. हाँ बोल.
Yes.
क्या बोल रहा है?
Rishabh, you are unmute.
ओ अच्छा. ओ
Okay, good. Supreet has understood all the constraints properly. Good. Yes, Udayraj left the meeting. He joined for the first time. I saw him leaving right now. Okay, meanwhile, I'm taking attendance. Go to batches. Let me start with B batch. Mohammed, Divyajit,
Yes,
Darshan.
Mohammed present.
Yes, yes. You may drop a message in chat box also. Darshan Parmar. Darshan Parmar is absent. Pradyuman, absent.
Pradyuman has left the college.
Okay, okay, okay. Udayraj, Rishabh,
Present.
Ivanshi, Ivanshi, Ayush, Ayush. Yes, Darshan, I marked you present. आयुष आयुष तो था लिस्ट में कहाँ गया
Which one? There are two Ayush.
ओके भानुशाली
No.
ओके एब्सेंट हर्षवर्धन ओके विजय विजय let me check I think he was also there deep 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 Dadania absent Avinash absent Pranjul Preet yes
Present, ma'am.
yes Arjan Arjan is absent Maharana okay Maharana is present Tanmay Tanmay is absent Jignesh wait let me see chat box someone wrote okay. Vijay yes Vijay I have marked you present okay present Jignesh AI Bhanushali Ayush where were you who called you unmute कर दो Ayush Ayush I'm calling you तो unmute कर बात कर मुझसे अच्छा you were there okay okay Jignesh is absent Raj is present Dhruvi was there okay Naitik Dharmik Saif Samir Shri okay Yepsira Talab Elazar Biniam Wage Tema Eugene Darshan Raj. Darshan Raj. Absent. Okay. AI 3 and 4. AI 3 and 4. Devansh AI 2. I did not call out your name, na? Yet.
Ma'am, it was mistake. AI4 present. AI3, I wrote it by mistake.
AI 3 is Divyajit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And AI 2. अभी आती हूँ मैं, अभी ये बैच बाकी है भाई. ये बैच फटाफट. आयुष present. Manav. Yes. Anuj. Okay. Vidhi. Okay. Vidhi. Vidhi Parikh. Okay. Yashraj. Yashraj. Absent. Yash. Sorry, Jash. Jash Virani. Okay. Mansi. Okay. Nikita. Rohan. Bipin. Manthan. Okay, Bipin. Manthan. Absent. Smith. Okay. Devansh. Devansh was there. Yashank. Dipen. Okay. Dipen. Tushar. Tushar Sethia was present. Yash Thakur. Yash. Nikita. Nikita Kakkad. Girish. Girish was there for a while. Aditya, yes, present. Tushar Sinha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pathik. Jaideep. Okay. Okay, fine. How many queries have you done? How much of practical 3 is done? In chat box, everyone. Okay, first table done, 3 tables done, table 4. Okay. Okay. Good, good. So let's complete all the tables and try inserting data. What about Oracle certification? You people are doing it, right? Complete 2-3 modules in weekends. Okay, good. Okay, in case you have created all the tables and done with the insertion of values, today we will study how to use not between, in and not in operator in select statement. Okay, we used in and not in our create statement. We will see how to apply them in select statement even. Yes, and this practical has, let me define what all things you'll be doing. जो लोग ने insert भी कर लिया है, till here you should be able to do queries on your own. After this we will start with functions, how to use functions in SQL query, what is dual table. So you will require me from query number 8, and this is most important thing. I told you yesterday, scalar and aggregate functions, which we studied yesterday, we will see how to apply them. So we will go through all the basic functions, might be not in this lab, in next lab, and then on your own you will fire all these queries on your own. They are very simple if you learn the functions first. So homework or content for lab book or for theory writing concepts, you have to include in, between, not between, not in. Iski theory thodi search karoge and you will make notes, and you will obviously make notes on the functions to be used. Okay, this will help you. And after this, we will see how to play with constraints, how to add them, how to change their name, how to delete them. So good things on way, little tough. Let me know as soon as you are done with insertion. Okay.